Good morning, students. Welcome to your Data Communication and Computer Network class for 4th Sem IT. Today I will discuss about transmission media. There are two types of transmission media, guided transmission media and unguided transmission media. In this video, I will discuss about guided transmission media. After completion of this video, student will able to know about transmission media and different guided transmission media like twisted pair, UTP, STP, coaxial cable and fiber optic cables. So let's start. First of all, what is transmission media? In data communication, transmission media is a pathway that carries the information from sender to receiver. Means in a communication system, the data travels through a media, a pathway that is known as transmission media. Maybe the transmission media physical like cables or maybe unguided media like air. So we use different type of cable or waves to transmit data. The physical way, the physical path, the cables are known as guided media and the waves which travels in air that is known as unguided media. Data is transmitted normally through electrical or electromagnetic signal. The transmission media are located below the physical layer. Computer use signal to represent the data. Means in computer, the data are converted into signals and the signal are transmitted in form of electromagnetic energy. Means in center side in physical layer, the data are converted into signal and then the signal are transmitted in form of electromagnetic energy in transmission medium and the receiver accept that electromagnetic energy then again convert into data. So the transmission media are of two types like guided media and unguided media. In this video, I will discuss about guided media only and in the next video, I will discuss about unguided media. So guided media are of mainly three types: coaxial cable, fiber optic cable and twisted pair. The twisted pair cable are of again divided into two types like on-sealed twisted pair and sealed twisted pair. Sealed twisted pair means STP, on-sealed twisted pair means UTP. The coaxial cable again divided into two types, passband and broadband and fiber optics cable. So there are mainly three types of guided media: coaxial, fiber optics and twisted pair. And in unguided media, there are radio waves, microwaves and infrareds. So let us discuss about guided media. So guided media means it is defined as the physical medium, physical path through which the signal are transmitted. Okay, the physical path through which the signal are transmitted is known as guided media. It is also known as bounded media. So the first guided media is twisted pair cable. A twisted pair cable consists of two conductors, basically copper based with its own plastic insulation twisted together. Means is the twisted pair cable consists with two conductor and cover up with its own plastic insulator. Twisted pair cable provide protection against crosstalk and interference because of their twisting in the wire. The one wire used to carry the signal to the receiver and the second wire is used as a ground reference. For twisting after receiving the signal, remains the same. Therefore, the number of twist per unit length determines the quality of cable. Means more the twist, more the better quality of the wire. Then advantage and disadvantage of twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cables are cheaper and easy to work with. And the main disadvantage is it's transmit a low data rate and in short range. In short range, we use twisted pair cable. Then application of twisted pair application. The twisted pair is a very common medium, can be used in telephone network, connection within the building, and it also used in local area networks. Again, twisted pair cables are of two types. First one is on-shield twisted pair, that is UTP, and the second one is shielded twisted pair. So let us discuss about on-shield twisted pair cables. These are pair of unshielded wires wound around each other. Means each cables are unshielded and it is easiest to install. And the application of unshielded twisted pair are telephone subscriber connect to the central telephone office with UTP, and it also used in DSL line and in LAN also. And there are different category of UTP cables like category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5 and 5E, then 6 and 7. These are the categories of UTP cables. These are some specification of category of UTP cables. So category 1 is on-shield twisted pair used in telephone and the data rate in Mbps less than 0.1 used in telephone lines. Category 2, that is unshielded twisted pair, originally used in T lines and data rate is 2 Mbps. And then category 3, it is an improved version of category 2 used in LAN and data rate is 10 Mbps. Then category 4, that is improved version of category 3 used in token ring network and the data rate is 20 Mbps. Then category 5, cable wire is normally 2,4 AWG with a jacket and outside steel and its data rate is 100 Mbps and it also used in LAN. Then category 5E, an extension of the category 5 that include extra features to minimize the crosstalk and electromagnetic interference. And its data rate is 125 Mbps and it also used in LAN. Then category C, 6, a new category with matched component coming from the same manufacturer. The cable must be tested at 200 Mbps data rate. So data rate is 200 Mbps used in LAN. Then category 7, sometimes called SSTP, sealed screen twisted pair. Each pair is individually wrapped in the helical metallic foil followed by a metallic foil sealed in addition to the outside steel. The seal decreases the effect of crosstalk and increase the data rate. And here the data rate is 600 Mbps. Okay, so these are some specification of UTP cable. Then advantage of UTP. UTP are affordable, most compatible cabling and it use major in networking system. Disadvantage of UTP are it suffer from external electromagnetic interference. And the next is shielded twisted pair cables. Shielded pairs of wire wound around each other placed inside a protective foil wrap. Means in the shielded twisted pair, they are placed inside, the wire are placed inside a protective foil wrap, and metal braid or steel foil that reduce interference. And it is hard to handle. These are thick and heavy. And the STP cables are used in IBM token ring network, higher transmission rate over a long distance. So the advantage of STP are it is shielded, so interference is less and faster than UTP. And disadvantage of STP. The STP are more expensive than UTP and high detonation rate. So this is all about your twisted pair cable. The next guided media is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable carries signal of higher frequency range than twisted pair cable. The coaxial cable have two conductor. First is inner conductor, then an insulator, then an outer conductor and outer insulator, and then it cover with a plastic cover. Okay, means it have two conductor and two insulator. Inner conductor is a solid wire. Outer conductor serve as a shield against noise and a second conductor. Okay, means it have two conductor. It have inner conductor and outer conductor, and it have two insulator. And the coaxial cable is of two types. First is baseband transmission, and it is defined as the process of transmitting a single signal at high speed. Means in baseband it transmit a single signal at high speed, and in broadband it defines as the process of transmitting multiple signal. Means in baseband a single signal, and in broadband transmission multiple signals are transmitted simultaneously. Then the application of coaxial cable, most versatile medium, television distribution, long distance telephone transmission. It can carry 10,000 voice calls simultaneously, short distance computer system link, and in local area network. Means these are used in these applications. Then advantage and disadvantage of coaxial cable. Coaxial cables are easy to wear, easy to expand, moderate level of electromagnetic interference. And disadvantage are single cable failure can take down an entire network. Means one cable failure can down the entire network. And the cost of installation of coaxial cable is high due to its thickness and stiffness. Cost of maintenance is also high in coaxial cable. So then the last cable, that is fiber optic cable. A fiber optic cable is made of glass or plastic and transmit signal in the form of light. And the nature of light, light travels in a straight line. We know light travels in a straight line. So if light goes from one substance to another, then the ray of light changes the direction. The ray of light changes direction when goes from more dense to a less dense substance. So using this phenomenon, the fiber optics work. Use reflection to guide light through a channel, and in fiber optics there are three parts. First one is core, then cladding, then the outer jacket. Core is of glass or plastic. Okay, this core part is glass or plastic surrounded by cladding, and cladding is less dense than the glass or plastic. Okay, in optical fiber, cable has a cylindrical shape and consists of three concentric sections: the core, the cladding, and the jacket. So this is core, glass or plastic core, then it covered with cladding and with the outer jacket. So area of application of fiber optics cable in telecommunication, in LAN, cable TV, in CCTV and in medical education. Advantage of optical fiber. Greater capacity means the data rate at 100 Gbps, smaller size and lightweight, lower attenuation, electromagnetic isolation, more resistance to corrosive material, better repeater spacing facility means after every 10 of kilometer at least. So these are some advantage of optical fiber. And the disadvantage of optical fiber are installation and maintenance need expertise. Only unidirection light propagation and it is more expensive. So this is all about the guided media. We have discussed about twisted pair, coaxial and fiber optics cable in guided media. In the next video, I will discuss about unguided media. Thank you.